Ritch Robin here, Gator Pit, Texas. Custom BBQ Pits in Houston, Texas. I'm going to walk you through a 2448 smoker. That's one of our standard models on our website at gatorpit.net. Gatorpit.net, 713-896-0144. We're going to go through this 2448 smoker, two-door version. Let's get into this. All right, here we go with our 2448 smoker and grill combo. Most of our Gator Pits come with an extra side access door on the stack side. There is a charcoal grate or grill that is removable that is inside that belly right there. So you've got a smoker with an offset firebox, and should you decide you want to do some grilling, throw some steaks in there, you've got the ability to be able to do this, and do this on most of our Gator Pit models. That feature will be listed in the descriptions underneath the standard features on our website at gatorpit.net. But here we go. We've got a 1/4-inch thick steel, brand new pipe. I only use new pipe. It is 24 inches in diameter. It is 4 feet or 48 inches in length with an offset 1/4-inch, 24 diameter by 24 long offset firebox. Stainless steel cool touch handles on all of your doors. Gator Pit commercial gauges that are recalibratable. You've got your side access door here that I mentioned, and your 1/4-inch thick reinforced with 1/4-inch flat bar fire grate inside in case you did want to grill in here as well. This customer opted and added our 4 folding D-rings, and obviously he's U.S. Marine Corps, so we put the USMC on there as well for him. We got a CNC plasma table. We can custom cut your brands, logos, or signage. Just let us know what you want, and I'm pretty sure we can do it. We've got a CAD designer that does all these designs for us. Back to the pit, you got your full length wrap over the firebox shelf, so you can use the top of that firebox for warming stuff. Use that radiant heat coming off for anything you want to put up there that's you want warm or hot. You got your firebox door, dial style air intake vents. These easy to operate, open and close. Firebox grate, 1/4-inch thick steel, reinforced with angle, all 4 sides, and in the middle, your fully flanged doors. Nice cut door seams, nice cut here, and nice and tight and flanged as well for no leaks. Getting into the main chamber, you've got a nice clean buffed out smooth welds. In corners and edges, you got our fully flanged doors, fully welded all the way around. Our Gator Pit hinges made in house, our 1/4-inch thick door stops, and the second door here is identical. Same thing. Those stainless steel cool touch handles last forever. And now you can see your front shelf. It is a usable front shelf. Comes out about approximately 10 inches. You can opt and get stainless steel. Stainless steel shelves will be 12 inches. There's your adjustable smokestack. You've got some Gator Pit badging that is stainless. Push-pull handle, 1/2-inch rod. Getting down to the base, you've got 2-inch thick angle legs, 2-inch thick angle storage area, mesh bottom, standard 2-inch drain with a threaded removable cap, and our heavy-duty all-weather commercial casters with grease zerks for your axles and your bearings and your rigids and in your swivels, and you can often add foot brakes to these if you choose to. Let's get inside this thing. Inside we got 4 easy sliding meat racks. Lower racks are interchangeable left and right, as are the top sliding racks. Interchangeable left and right. And you saw how easy that was, all one-handed, because I got the phone in the other hand. Also, the doors are easy to open, as you saw. I did it with one hand as well. You've got nice clean-cut doors. Flanging top, bottom, left, right on the inside. Flanging top and bottom as well. What we call drip bars. And again, easy sliding. The pits come standard with a 1/4-inch thick, full-size, 1/4-inch thick, full-size heat deflector. And this customer opted for the tuning plates in addition to that heat deflector. And they are lockable and removable and adjustable. That will even the temperatures out in this cooker, so that you're running pretty much the same temperatures, if not the same temperature, left and right, and not playing that meat shuffle during those long cooks of briskets and butts and other long cooked meats. There you go, beautiful. Walking around to the back side, and you can see that shelf comes all the way down. Walking around to the back side, nice, clean, and smooth. Get a good shot of that lower storage, framed out in 2-inch angles. And that side access door makes it easier for clean out. Whether you want to grill or not, it still makes it easy to clean that pit out. This is our 2448 smoker grill combo on our website at gatorpit.net. Go check it out. Like I said, the only options this customer added to it was the USMC and the tuning plates, and I believe everything else on it is standard. Oh, the D-rings. I forgot about the D-rings. He did add D-rings. So those are options on the website at gatorpit.net. If you select this model, you can choose those options. Any custom signage, you need to contact me direct to discuss what it is you want us to do, and email us your logo or your files for what you want us to CAD draw. But again, this is gatorpit.net 2448 smoker model. It is a beautiful pit. It's a perfect size as far as I'm concerned for cooking, a little catering, little commercial cooking, and for the backyard for your house. Throw one brisket on there, or throw 6 to 8 briskets on there. There you go. 2-door version, 2448 smoker. There's a 2448 smoker SD, which is the single door version. It does come with a counterweight. So you've got a single door with a counterweight on it. That is on the website, gatorpit.net.